Today we are checking out a non-stick frying pan set, and it was sent to us by Gipfel for us to check out. Now, as you can see, these are more of like saucepan type things. Have the higher sides here. In regards to the non-stick, they are PFOA free non-stick Xylan Plus. So that's always good to know. I have a lot of people that always ask that in my reviews in regards to the non-stick stuff. This handle right here does detach. You only get one handle with this set. Whenever you use it, you pull this all the way back, and then you're going to set it on there and then release it down, and then ensure that this little thing here pushes in as well. And then look at that. It is good, not going anywhere. Used it today. I was moving it all around, upside down stuff, moving my sauce and chicken around inside there. Had absolutely no issues. And when I say these are easy to clean, they are super easy to clean. I had chicken on there. It was, kind of burnt to this bottom. Homemade Alfredo after that, all in the same pan. And then whenever I went to clean it out, literally just sprayed it with a little bit of water, and it was done. Of course, I went out over it with soap and stuff, just, to be sanitary, but I didn't have to use any soap, didn't have to scrub or anything. These things really nice and thick, and they heated up super fast too, and they heated up super even. There's what the bottom looks like. Looks really nice. I have reviewed some of Gipfel's stuff before. I have always really enjoyed it. Same thing on all these here. Look really, really nice. And then they all do have this little thing on here. And then this right here changes colors and lets you know whenever it's hot. Has a thing right here. Look at that. Tells you whenever it is warm. So really cool. I highly recommend these. Go ahead, check them out.